In this video I'll explain how to create a new batch. Click on Add Batch. First select course. In the field you will get active courses for example 9th CBSE and 10th CBSE. Then enter the batch name you want to create, for example 9th CBSE 2023 to 2024. Mention the short name for this batch that will use in the notifications send SMS. For example, 9 CBSE 23. Mention the start date if that batch, for example the 1st of June 2023, the end date is automatically saved as the 31st of March of next year. Enter the batch type, like if we choose in campus, it refers to offline teaching within the institute. However, if we choose guided learning, it refers to the online teaching via video conferencing. You have to mention the course coordinator of that batch, for example, Ritu Kashyap. This person will be responsible for maintaining the schedule of this batch for all subjects over the year. Then mention timetable in charge of that batch, for example, Anju. This person will be responsible for creating the timetable according to the schedule planned by the coordinator. You can also mention the fee in charge of that batch. This person will be responsible for fee collection and take action on the defaulters of that month. Next is mentor student. This person is the mentor of that batch. This person can be approached by the student of that batch in times of need. Also, the mentor can view the progress of each student of that batch. After this, a M and VP can mention the number of questions of varying difficulty level that could be asked in WISE FA. WISE FA stands for Where I Stand in Education Formative Assessment. This exam is generated after the teacher takes the class and marks the concepts taught. You can specify the number of simple questions to be asked in WISE FA when one concept is taught. Max questions is 4. Then, number of hard questions to be asked in WISE FA when one concept is taught. Max questions is 2. Then, number of very hard questions to be asked in WISE FA when one concept is taught. Max questions is 1. If more than one concept is being asked, you can specify the number of simple questions to be asked in WISE FA. Max question is 2. For hard questions, max is 1. And no very hard questions is asked in this case. You can also specify the number of concepts to be taught in one class. Generally, after much research, this number is 5. Next is question of the day. This fantastic feature checks students' accuracy beyond their favorite subject. This generates a new question each day in the student ID and student has to compulsorily attempt the question. However, this feature is optional for RM and VP. You can also mention number of reattempt of any test allowed to students. Max number is 1. Similarly, you can also mention number of times a student can regenerate a test. Maximum is 1. Also, if you wish to receive a mail on reattempt by any student and regenerate by any student, choose yes or else choose no. Similarly, you can also choose SMS facility for WISE FA, WISE PT, and WISE testing. If you don't wish to send SMS to students, choose no or else choose yes. Add batch, click submit details.